In this video lecture, we're going to look at switch statements and C programming language. So, we're going to look at another type of decision-making statement called switch statement. Switch statements are like every other decision-making statement, if statement, else if, and else statement out there, but this is more simpler and straightforward. So, let's go ahead and write an example, and let's create something called, it's a char level. It's a level equal to level 1. Let's say level 1. Put a semicolon at the end. So if you're level 100, okay, let's call it level 100, level 200, let's say this first year grew in school, your second year in school, third year in school. So if your level is level 100, that means you're still a first year student, and second year student, third year student, and final year student. So this is how it's going to be. So let's go ahead and use a switch statement to check that out. So I'm going to say switch, and I'm going to insert the level right inside here. So if I insert the level, I'll go ahead and start using cases to determine each of these. Alright, so I'm going to say case 100. So the very first case 100, is going to print out. Let's say case 100, I'm going to print this out, and I'm going to say you are a fresh student. So, 100 level, you're a fresh student, and each one of them, you break out of this case. Alright, so you're going to break out of this. So, break out using a break, and you go ahead and check out the next one. Alright, go ahead, when you break out, you go ahead and check out the next one. So, case, say case 200. So print F. Now I'm going to say you are a 200 level student. So you're a 200 level student, and you break out of this again. And next one is another case, let's say case 300, and you print out this. Want to see? You are a 300 level student. So put a semicolon at the end. And you break out of this immediately. So the next one, let's go ahead and put case 400. And let's print this to be the final year. You are a final year student. So you are a final year student, and you break out and put a semicolon at the end. Now, the problem is, what if you don't fall within 100, 200, 300, or 400? So what would that mean? Let's go ahead and use what is called a default. So a default will be used right here. So using a default, we're going to print out and say that you are not a student. So you are not a student. So when you don't fall within any of this range, then you're not a student, okay? So, and let's go ahead and write something here. Maybe at the end of this, you can break out of this, and I'm going to print out this and say print f is equal to your level is percentage D. And I'll move on to the next line, use the escape character, put a semicolon, and go ahead and insert level right here, and put a semicolon at the end. So your level is this. Go ahead and run this code and check it out. Oh, this is not a semicolon. For a semicolon here. And run this code and check it out. You are not a student. Your level is 48. Oh wow. Let's check that out, guys. So what happens here is that, one is that this is a character and the character takes just 2 bytes. So it's more than 2 bytes. Okay. So remove this, so that is going to be, let's say 100. So if the character is 1, that means you're a fresh student, you're a 100 level. And if your character is 2, you're a 200 level student. And 3 is 300 level student. And 4 is a final year student. And go ahead and put an escape character to the next line right here. So put this to the next line. And put this to the next line. And add this to the next line. And add this to the next line. So at the moment the level is 1 at this point. So the character takes only 2 bytes, and that means it takes only 1 character at a time. Okay, so let's run this code and check this out now. Say you are a fresh student. Your level is 49. Oh, the level is 49 and not 100 and not 1. So all that means is that I'm going to display character here and not decimal. So go ahead and put this to be percentage C. Okay? Percentage C, I'll run this code again and let's check it out again. So your level is 1. Alright? Your level is 1. Then we go ahead and change this character to 2. I'll run this code and check it out. You are a 200 level student. Your level is 2. And then change this to 3 again. Change us to 3. I'll run the code and check it out. You are a 300 level student. Your level is 3. Now, let's go ahead and change that to 4. And that will give us the final one we just put there. And if you are a final year student, your level is 4. So, all we need to do is, let's go ahead and say, we want these levels to be printed as it level 100, 200, 300, or 400. All you need to do is just come right inside the percentage character and put 000 here. So, if the level is 400, level 4 is going to add the character percentage, which is 4, and then add 00 in front, and it's going to be level 400. Let's run the code and check it out. So, your level is 400, you're a final year student. Let's go and check out another one. Maybe, let's check out 300 and run the code again and check it out. your level is 300. You see that? So that's how you can be able to add those ones you need. So 2 is, your level is 200. You're a 200 level student. So, what if you're not? You're both these as a 8. Go ahead and put 8 there. Around this code. Your level is 800. You are not a student. Your level is 800. You see that? So, you don't have 800 level. So, students who are 800 and above 400, 500, are not students. Okay. So, this is where you use is switch case or switch statement. It's very simple. It minimizes your code and you write just simple code, unlike when you keep writing if else, else if, else if, else if every time. I hope that is very cool, very straightforward. Go ahead and implement that and make sure you have something very good and something looking nice just like this. And practice very well. If you have any question, please use the question and answer section and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.